Hi, I'm Marcy Degman, the Aspiring Gardener, and today we're going to talk about how to design and plant a fern garden. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is find the right situation for your ferns. Now, most ferns like shade or part shade, and they like moisture. So you'll also have to make sure that you choose ferns that are hardy for your region. I have a lot of ferns that grow naturally in my region, and a lot of them that I can put in the ground that will make it through the winter. This particular area that I've chosen is pretty shady, and they pretty much like it. I have things in here like a Himalayan maidenhair fern, which really needs shade and moisture. So some ferns, like this Korean rock fern, can handle a little less water and a little more sun. So I'm going to put this on the edge because a little bit of sun gets in over here. So you'll have to pay attention to the types of ferns that you're going to use. Now, the western sword fern that I have on the other side is a little bit more tolerant of sun and dry also. So, you know, I can put a lot of different ferns in here, but it's where I position them that's going to make the difference in their conditions. Also, you want to think about what other plants that you want to put in your fern design. Now, I've got some native Vancouveria. I've got Trillium growing in this bed. Not visible here, but I've got a lot of things like hellebore. So you've got flowering plants and other plants that love those same conditions. So you'll have a lot of things going on besides just your green ferns. Now, I also happen to really like a lot of evergreen ferns, so that when the other ones die down, like the maidenhair, I've always got something. Now, this Korean rock fern, this deer fern is evergreen, and it stays really small, so I can put it in an area where it doesn't need to have a lot of space. So I'm going to put that over here. On the other hand, something like a sword fern is a large fern and takes a lot of space. So you want to think about all those things when you design. Now, as far as planting a fern garden, you're going to want to take a look at your soil and make sure that it's got a lot of loose, humus-rich soil in there. If not, you're going to want to bring in some compost and give it a nice, loose, rich soil as far down as you can. This is not too bad here. I'm able to dig in here pretty good, so it's already some pretty decent soil. So I don't have to worry too much about adding a lot to this. I'm going to plant this Korean rock fern in this partially sunny corner. Now, that also is a small to medium-sized fern, so this little area right here is perfect. So you do want to find out what the mature size of your ferns are going to be. And you're always going to want to plant your fern about as deep as it is in the container and a little bit wider. I'm going to get this one out of the pot. Go ahead and break up that soil and get that in there tight. And then you always want to water immediately when you plant a fern because they're definitely moisture-needing plants.